Track down any real estate for the rebuild?
10 acres for sale, up north 84. You know, stretch of industry, paint factories, container yards.
Kick his ass!
Trucking and supplies will look like regular business.
What happened if we didn't rebuild?
What do you mean?
Take the land profit, put it in something else. Hey, I'm just thinking about what's best long term. We got heat with the Mayans, ATF crawling up our ass. Might be time to look at other ways to earn.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of shit up in the air right now. We'll figure out what the next move is. Bobby, break that shit up.
All right.